I'm Brian Herrera.
I'm Verley.
I'm Jaden, and this is Lab 10 on lasers.
The Heaney laser is characterized by a pumping mechanism, gain medium, and a cavity. The cavity we actually made using this mirror with a slight curvature and with this mirror back here. The way we aligned the laser was by using an alignment laser, and we passed it through a pinhole which aided us in aligning it. It went through here, off of here, and we wanted it to go back to the pinhole so this whole system was perfectly aligned. Once it was aligned, we input this lens here so we could see it lasing, and we made sure that this mirror was placed where the radius of curvature was this far from this back mirror, and we used tip tilt to find different modes, and the best mode we found was a 4:3 mode. A Brewster mirror was used to isolate the p-polarized light. So the unpolarized light from the laser comes through, and the S-polarized light is reflected off, and the p-polarized light is transmitted with the low.
In the next part of the lab, we looked at mode spacing between different modes of the laser, and we did that with two devices. The first is the electrical spectrum analyzer here, which gave us a beat frequency of about 559 megahertz. And the second method was right here, and you can see up here it gave us a beat frequency associated with 7 milliseconds, and then a larger gigahertz frequency on the order of 127 milliseconds. With the Fabry Pro oscillator, there's a little piezoelectric which oscillates and allows us to discern the beat frequencies by changing the cavity length. So right here you can see that we had about 1.59% error in calculating the beat frequency from the 560 manufacturer specification, and also we had a 27 centimeter cavity length, which makes sense with the length of the laser, and also it's very polarized compared, it's just like the original laser in part 1.
In the next part of the lab, we used a beam profiler to measure the waist of the beam at different lengths. We put the laser on a whole other table to make sure that we were well outside of the rail area.